Hi guys! So, if you have watched the last video where I imploded a Coke can, that was pretty cool. So this time, we are going to take 1 teaspoon of water with the same pan we used. We're going to take it, and we're going to pour it in here. Look, it turns into these little balls. If you add more, and then you can watch it. It's so cool how it does this. It sizzles and then it explodes into lots of different ones. Then when you add more, they're tiny little balls. They're not really water anymore. See, it kind of goes crazy when you do that. It's nuts. And see all these little things? They're so cool. And you want to add more, but it's really noisy. You might wake the neighbors. When you want to, you add more water, and then eventually, it's only going to be doing this. Eventually, it's only going to do this. Not much bubble anymore. But other than that, it's really fun playing with heat and water. That's Science with Luke.